Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for church. First, customize your chart of accounts to reflect your church's unique financial structure, including restricted and unrestricted funds. This ensures accurate tracking of all incoming and outgoing money. Next, learn to properly record donations, whether they are one-time gifts or recurring pledges, ensuring you can generate correct donor statements and form 1099s when needed. Effectively tracking donations is crucial for any church. QuickBooks allows you to create detailed donor profiles, making it simple to record and monitor each person's contributions. You can also set up pledges and track their fulfillment, ensuring you have a clear picture of expected income. Generating reports for donor statements and tax purposes becomes straightforward, helping you maintain transparency and good relationships with your congregation. Managing church expenses effectively is key to sound financial health. Learn to categorize all your expenditures, from utilities to ministry supplies, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. Regular bank reconciliations are vital to catch any errors or discrepancies quickly, keeping your books accurate. With QuickBooks, you can easily generate essential financial statements, such as the Statement of Activities, providing a clear overview of your church's financial performance. Handling payroll for your church staff can be complex, but QuickBooks simplifies it by managing tax withholdings and benefits accurately. You'll also learn to meticulously track and manage both restricted and unrestricted funds, ensuring compliance with donor intentions and internal policies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This comprehensive approach helps your church maintain excellent financial stewardship and operational efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.